Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum. Sendirian lo ini, ntar dimasukin YouTube gitu. Baca teh. Iyalah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will present about my final exam for management strategic. So I will analyze about Astra International Strategic Analysis from 2019 until 2023. My name is Tina Tiara Putri with NPM 21910110006. So the first one I'm gonna explain is about chapter 2, business environment and to risk management. So risk management in Indonesia's economy rebounded after COVID-19 with minus 5% growth in 2023. So Astra adapted to EV trends, digital finance, and infrastructure spending, and their regulatory shifts to omnibus law, EV incentives, and impact strategy. And Astra competitive advantage via diversification and digitalization. So the process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to risk factors throughout the life of project or within an organization, it is essential to reduce the impact of potential threats and ensure the achievement of objectives. It is especially important in financial sector where uncertainty can significantly affect profitability. Next is Indonesia economy rebounded. I'm sorry. Next is chapter 3 is vision, mission, and values. So the first one is vision to be, so Astra Vision is to be the most respected and valuable Indonesian company. Their mission is prioritize quality, innovation, and societal contribution. And their core values is care or customer first, accountability, respect, and excellence. And the last one is strategic alignment across units through leadership and ethics. Next is chapter 4, corporate governance. So Astra is a strong governance framework based on Indonesian and global standards, transparent disclosure, risk management, ethics, and compliance focus, diverse and independent board with regular evaluation. And the last is ESG and stakeholder engagement integrate into governance. Next is chapter 5, strategic objective and goals. The first one is focus on sustainable growth, EVs, EVs, digitalization and infrastructure, operational excellence via digital tools and supply chains efficiency, ESG and innovation guide long-term planning, and the last one is talent development support, execution, and resilience. Next is chapter 6, business segment and portfolio. So Astra diversify across automotive, finance, mining, agribusiness, IT, and Astra Automotive remains largest contributor with strong brand alliance. Digital service enhance synergy and revenue stickiness. And the last one is conglomerate model balance risk and leverage scale. Chapter 7 is financial performance and analysis. So Astra revenue and profitability grow steadily post-pandemic. Their strong performance in automotive and financial survives, conservative debt, healthy liquidity, and consistent dividends. And last one is financial discipline, support innovation, and shareholder values. Next is chapter 8, risk management. So integrate ERM framework for TOSO and ISO 30, 31,000. Strategic risk mitigate by diversification and innovation, strong controls on finance, operation, and compliance. And last one is sustainability and social risk managed via CSR and ESG programs. Chapter 9 is CSR and sustainability. So CSR pillars in Astra is education, empowerment, community, and disaster relief. And the sustainability aligns with SDGs and ISO standard, transparent reporting and impact measurement. And last one is focus on inclusivity, clean energy, and climate action. Climate action. Next is chapter 10 or corporate governance. So reinforces ethical conduct and shareholder engagement, emphasis on transparency, internal controls and audits. Independent board members ensure objectivity, supports Astra credibility and investor confidence. And the last is future outlook and strategic initiative. Uh, Strategic focus for Astra is EVs, digital transformations, and regional expansion. And from the long-term growth through infrastructure and innovation, strong human capital development and risk preparedness, and last one is sustainability central to future business model. Thank you. That's all my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.